How to make hollow blocks.
According to Pinoy builders, the ratio should be 1:2 to 3 in putting the cement, sand, and gravel in the container. Pour water until the mixture of concrete is good enough to be poured into the mold. Mix the water in the bowl. Use a rod to stir the mixture continuously. Create the hardened hollow block. As per Indian standard specifications, the combined aggregate content in the concrete mix used for making hollow blocks should not be more than 6 parts to 1 part by volume of Portland cement.